In the forested valleys of Himachal Pradesh, beneath the canopy of deodar trees and drifting mist, a quiet transformation is taking root, powered by women and nurtured by the forest. This is the story of Jai Ma Tara Self-Help Group in Banadi village, which was formed in the year 2023 in VFDS Banadi Patud under Mashobra range in Shimla Forest Division. At the heart of this initiative is the JICA Forestry Project, which empowers communities not just to conserve forests but to grow with them. Through the support and facilitation of the JICA project, the women received structured training in clean and hygienic pickle making, financial literacy and SHG record keeping. Not only this, but the women were also provided with Rs 1 lakh revolving fund and 75% capital cost to purchase machine and equipments required for pickle making. What began as a household skill has now evolved into a sustainable livelihood activity driven by knowledge, unity and confidence. The SHG women usually gather in a common space. Each has a role: washing, chopping, mixing spices, drying ingredients, filling jars, sealing and labeling. They follow hygienic practices and use organic ingredients and traditional recipes. Here, under a bright banner and a humble table, these women present their work with grace, offering samples, telling their story and making connections. Every jar reflects not only the flavor of tradition, but the strength of collective entrepreneurship supported by the JICA Forestry Project. Sales begin locally to neighbors, in local shops, in village fairs and exhibitions, setting up colorful stalls to showcase their products. People trust the taste and trust the women behind it. Recently, in April 2025, on the occasion of Navratri, the SHG had set up their stall for 5 days at the famous Tara Devi temple, in which they recorded a total sale of Rs 85,000, out of which the highest sale of Rs 50,000 was recorded by rhododendron squash. For these women, it's not just about money. It's about being seen, being heard, and being self-reliant. And standing with them from the forest to the fair is the JICA Forestry Project. What began as a few jars of pickle soon became a journey of identity and independence. Over 1 year, the SHG has recorded a total sale of more than Rs 2 lakhs. This isn't just pickle. This is preserved tradition, packaged courage, and the purest taste of empowerment. These are the hands that once stirred meals for their families. Today, they stir change, one jar at a time. The story of Jai Ma Tara SHG shows what local women can achieve. And when forests support people, people protect forests, and together they thrive.
समूह की तरफ से VFDS के प्रधान और जायका प्रोजेक्ट एंड फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करती हूँ कि उन्होंने हमें आजीविका बढ़ाने और सशक्त बनने का अवसर प्रदान किया।